Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful. How to unblock your IMEI number in 2025. If you've ever bought a second-hand phone or traveled abroad and found your device locked to a specific network, you're in the right place. IMEI, or International Mobile Equipment Identity, is that unique 15-digit code that identifies your phone worldwide. Unblocking it means freeing your device to work on any carrier, saving you time and money. Let's jump right in. First things first, why should you care about unblocking your IMEI in 2025? With new regulations and advanced tech like 6G networks rolling out, carriers are getting stricter, but there are easier ways to handle this now. Start by checking if your IMEI is blocked. Dial *#06# on your phone to reveal the IMEI number, then use online tools or contact your carrier to verify its status. It's quick and free. Once confirmed, gather the essentials: your IMEI number, proof of ownership, and any carrier details. In 2025, many carriers offer online portals or apps for unblocking. Head to your provider's website and log in. If it's a locked device from another region, you might need a third-party service, but stick to reputable ones to avoid scams. The process usually involves submitting a request, paying a small fee if required, and waiting 24 to 48 hours for approval. After submission, keep an eye on your email or the app for updates. Once unblocked, restart your phone and test it on a different SIM card. Pro tip: always back up your data beforehand to prevent any issues. If you're dealing with international blocks, check for country-specific rules, as 2025 brings updated global standards. There you have it. Unblocking your IMEI doesn't have to be a headache. Remember, this is for educational purposes, and always follow legal guidelines. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.